I'm Matt. I'm really excited to try the Anova precision cooker. I haven't cooked sous vide before, but I can't wait to give it a shot. All right, we've got the wand and you've got the clamp and we're ready to go. Before I get started, I had a couple questions, but thankfully I have Bill Clark from Anova here to answer them for me. So Bill, what is sous vide?
Great question. So sous vide, or precision cooking, has been around for decades. It's been used the world over by top chefs everywhere. All you need to do is, with the device, put it into your pot, you submerge your food into the pot itself, it circulates the water to a very precise temperature, and you always get the desired doneness you want.
What would make this better than, say, grilling?
I love that question, it's probably my favorite. Grilling is all over the map. You have hot spots, you have cold spots, and everything in between. With precision cooking, you don't have to worry about any of that. You set your device to whatever doneness you like. Medium rare steak, 129 degrees Fahrenheit. You set the device, you hit play, and when that comes out, it's going to be exactly 129 degrees all the way through. It'll be perfect.
The Anova precision cooker is easy to use. First, you fill a medium-sized pot with water. Then clamp the Anova precision cooker. Then you sync your cooker to your app, put your food in a plastic bag, then clamp the bag into the water when the water is at the set temperature.
So the cool thing about our device is that you can start a cook from the interface, or you can use our app. The app itself has time and temperature guides to create that perfect steak we were talking about, or you can use the hundreds of recipes that we have in the app to choose from. The device, the app itself, all you need to do is just press start if you've chosen a recipe, and the app will take care of the rest. So the best part is you never have to worry about overcooking your food. It's always going to be the exact same results every single time. You don't have to worry if you have, kids, if you have a life. You will still be able to come back and your food will be ready at the exact temperature you set it at. And then the other half is that you will never waste food. It's always going to be the exact same results every single time. All right, the moment of truth. Perfect medium rare, edge to edge, looks delicious. Let's give it a go. That's really good. That's better than being at a restaurant. I did it myself. This was awesome.